Hi, welcome to another FingerNailFixer video. I've been asked to give some tricks on applying Vinylux over enhancements. So we're going to start off with a liquid and powder enhancement. CND's suggestion is that you go ahead and do your liquid and powder application and then finish out with a 1200 grit. I'm using the CND koala buffer, and I'm just going in and doing my normal finish filing strokes. I've already perfected the shape and form with a 180 grit. So the 1200 is just coming in and doing that final smoothing after I've started with 180, graduated to a 240, and now I'm finishing out with the 1200 without using solar oil. Then I'm going to come in with a little bit of ScrubFresh, cleaning the excess dust and debris off the nail. Then we're going to start off with the Vinylux color. Make sure that you've shaken your color really well. Make sure you don't have a lot of excess on the brush, but you do want a little bit of a ball of polish on the end of the brush so that the polish will glide. We're going to set it down, press it up and over, come down, seal the edge. Do the same on the opposite side. And then I'm going to press up and back in the center and come down the center. Nice and thin. See how you can kind of see a little bit of streaking to that color? You do not want full color coverage on the first coat. We're going to give that a few seconds to dry, since we would normally be applying to all 10 nails before we applied the next coat. You want to make sure with your Vinylux when you apply that you're keeping a margin away from the sides. Anytime you get polish on the skin, it's going to be more likely to peel off. I'm going to come in with my second coat, applying it much the same way as I did with the first. Remember, with Vinylux you need to use a little faster application than what you've been used to with the shellac. It is normal nail polish, so it is going to dry quickly. Once you have your second coat on, you'll go through and apply that to all 10 nails, and then we'll be ready to top coat. Once I top coat, it's an 8.5 minute dry time and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and move on to gel. When you're going to apply the Vinylux to gel, whether it is Brisa Light or regular Brisa, if we're working over Brisa Light, you want to stop at the sculpting gel. If you're working over Brisa Traditional, sorry about that, then you want to make sure that you go ahead and apply the Brisa Gloss. Once you are to that point, we'll go ahead and come in with a 180. I'm using the boomerang padded file, and we're just going to remove the surface shine. And you can just use your normal finish file strokes. And we're just eliminating that surface shine so that the Vinylux can adhere. Once you've taken care of the surface shine off the gel, you can come in with some ScrubFresh. And then we would come in and apply the Vinylux. Same as we did on the liquid and powder. Nice thin layer. Making sure to seal the edge. And working kind of quickly because it dries much faster than the shellac. Normally you would apply that to all 10 nails, and then you could come back in and apply your second coat. And once your second coat is on all 10, you'll be ready to come in and apply the top coat. Hope that helps with Vinylux application over enhancements.